Andre, Andre TV, Andre, Andre TV, Andre. This is me, Andre TV. Saturday, January 23rd. Going to start my car because I have an old car and it can't go long without being started. And this is what it looks like outside. They said it was about a foot of snow. And yeah, it's a lot. I'm probably going to have to shovel to get to my car. Thank you for the hearts. Good morning, everyone. It's a little after 6 here. And I thought you might enjoy going with me to see if it will actually start. I wish I had a GoPro because I really think I'm going to have to shovel to get to my car. This is the first step. If you see it right here. Oh, shoot, that's my glove. Hold on. No, that's my glove. And I have to, if I don't start my car like every 12 hours, it won't start. It's 13 years old. Oh, no, 2001, so it's 15 years old now. I know. So here's the first step. And you see the snow is filling it up. And I'm going to use the shovel because I don't want to fall getting down. So I'm one hand shoveling. Oh shoot, it's heavy. Yeah, one hand shoveling is not good. Oh crap. But I at least want to be able to get down the stairs. One hand shoveling. Yeah, it's wet, very wet. Oh man. Wet snow. And my kids are dying to come out here, but it's too early. I'll let them play later on. Thank you all for joining. Heavy snow, yes. It is very heavy. It was a big lightning thing a minute ago. Run across. I'll try. Yeah, me and running. Okay. Oh. All right. So I have 3 steps. Is it going to snow again? Yes, they said it's going to snow again later on today. I should. Oh, goodness. I am so scared. Oh, my gosh. I am 6 feet tall. Oh, thank you. I am 6 feet tall, so we're going to see how far it goes up my leg. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm not really equipped to dress. Here are my leggings, dry now. I'm wearing my husband's big parka coat. And I'm going to see. I'm walking. And hopefully it starts. Oh, this is his car. You can just see the back end of it. And here's my SUV. Oh, it feels like it's about up to my calf. Oh, and it looks like my door's frozen. All right. I'm sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy. I'm trying to start it. And it started! Hooray! It did it! My screen is wet. Here goes nothing. Yeah, it started. So I'm happy. Now I'm going to go back in the house and let it defrost for a few minutes. Oh, let me cut off the lights. Most people are still sleeping. Thank you. Yay, yay, yay. We live in a townhome complex for now, but the house is coming. But anybody who has a roof, be grateful. Donuts now? No. Now I'm going to go in and make the kids some pancakes. And we're going to have a wonderful Saturday morning snowstorm breakfast. You see my steps? That's how big it is. Everyone's still sleeping here. And I thank you all for joining me. Oh man, I might come back later and do the scope when I let them play in the snow. That's always fun to watch. So this is me going back to the steps that I just made. It's pretty bad and it's not over yet. All right, thank you guys.